this is Udrive's BMW 318i, and this is one of Udrive's high-end units. Now, this is a really nice car. You can use this if you have like special occasions, you want to pick up someone important, or you just want to drive something really comfortable.
Now, the cost to drive this BMW starts at 0.90 dirhams per minute or 249 dirhams per day. To book this car, it's the same process as booking the regular fleet. Just use the app, register, locate the nearest BMW unit, click it, and click reserve. Once you find a unit, you can unlock the car using the app. Then, find the keypad and enter your PIN. After entering the PIN, you can now take the key and start the car. Now, for more details on how to use Udrive, click the link above or in the description below.
So guys, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and
subscribe.
see you guys again soon.